In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Infinityfree. To get started, head over to the Infinityfree hosting accounts page and log into your client area. Once you're signed in, look through your list of hosting accounts and find the active account where you want to create the database. From there, click the Manage button for that account. This takes you to the account management area where you'll see the option to open the control panel. Go ahead and select the control panel button to continue. Once the control panel opens, you'll be working inside the main account dashboard. Take a moment to let the page fully load, then scroll down until you reach the databases section. This is where Infinityfree groups all of the tools related to database management. In that section, click on MySQL Databases. After opening the MySQL Databases page, look for the New Database field. This is where you'll enter the name for the database you want to create. In the text box, type a short database name using only letters and numbers. It's a good idea to keep this name simple and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create more than one database later on. One important thing to understand here is that the name you type is only the custom part of the database name. Infinityfree automatically adds your account username as a prefix to create the full database name. So even though you're entering a short suffix yourself, the final database name will be longer and formatted automatically by the system. That's completely normal, and it helps keep databases organized under your hosting account. After you've entered your database name, click the Create Database button. Infinityfree will process the request and create the new database for your hosting account. This usually only takes a moment. Once the database has been created successfully, you should see it listed in the Current Databases table further down the page. That's how you can confirm that everything worked correctly. If you see the new database there, then the setup is complete, and your database is now ready to be used with your website or application. As a quick tip, make sure you remember the exact full database name shown in the Current Databases section, since that's often the value you'll need later when connecting your site, app, or installation script to the database. And that's it. You've successfully created a database in Infinityfree.